shit. That was a crack I caught there. Really hope I got that one. Look at that slush when it wipes in the car. I didn't even know there was a storm coming. I just heard lightning out my window. Me being me, I had to go look. And film it. Yeah, the roads are slippery. Becoming ice covered. I gotta go slow as shit now. Still coming down fucking good. You did wreck or you almost wrecked? Yeah, it's slippier than shit out here. Yeah, dude. Oh god, I'm on Lookout Drive right now. It's fucking insane. I just left home to film the lightning, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. Oh shit.